This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Hindu.
The big fat superstar wedding and the perfect star-studded evening to follow as Soundarya Rajinikanth weds her new sultan. Politicos and stars shine down at the grand wedding reception. Chief Minister Karunanidhi showers his blessings on the couple. But who met whom and who went down on the knee? We get you the story behind this lovely arranged marriage.
No, I wouldn't say it was arranged. It was partly love.
What has our country come to? A pregnant woman is mistreated by a bus conductor, her husband beaten up and abused. Protests against hike in school fees refuse to die down even as the fee structure issue is on a stalemate. And the blockbuster wedding aside, the heat is on at multiplexes too. A sneak peek into the movies which released today. Hello there, welcome to the Late Night News on NDTV Hindu. I'm Evelyn Matthew. What an eventful Friday it's been. The superstar's little girl went the whole 9 yards and became Mrs. Kumar in a fairy tale wedding today. Exclusive on NDTV Hindu, we bring you every memorable moment, right from the spectacular spread, the lotus ornate garlands and the climax of it all, the star-studded reception. All of it in a bit. But before that, here's what's making news else in the country. The Master Blaster is the brand ambassador of the Indian Air Force. Meet the group captain Sachin Tendulkar saluting the nation. Sonia Gandhi gets re-elected as Congress president for the record 4th consecutive term. The body of Havaldar Lucas Tete found in Bihar after being kidnapped and killed by Maoists. His family arrived to claim the body. After barring the 3 tainted Pakistani players, ICC refutes Pakistan High Commissioner's charges, says there's no conspiracy against Pakistan. Money found in Salman Butt's room where the same was given to the match fixer, given by the journalist conducting the sting operation. And 13 rig workers rescued after an offshore oil rig explodes and catches fire in the Gulf of Mexico. Fears of an oil leak heighten. Well, to say the wedding of the superstar Rajinikanth's younger daughter Soundarya was the wedding of the year would definitely be an understatement, for it was more than just that. From the who's who of Tinseltown and political honchos made sure they were present to wish the couple. The 26-year-old Soundarya Rajinikanth entered wedlock with Ashwin Kumar, a Stanford graduate, at the Rani Mai Hall in Chennai today, and our senior editor Radhika Iyer was part of those celebrations.
A South Indian Brahmin wedding, or was it a Maharashtrian wedding? Well, a 2-in-1, and the grandest perhaps in the history of Tamil marriages. The moment of the marriage was when Soundarya Rajinikanth sat on her doting father Rajinikanth's lap when Ashwin Kumar, a Stanford graduate, traditionally tied the knot. When Rajinikanth calls, there's no way to say no. So despite the Naxal crisis, Home Minister P. Chidambaram marked his attendance at the wedding, just one among the many political leaders. And a superstar wedding indeed. From Kamal Hassan to former co-star Sridevi to good friend Chiranjeevi, they were all there.
And I'm here because of my friend.
My dear Annan superstar Rajinikanth is the big brother of our industry in Tamil Nadu, and his daughter is getting married.
If it's biryani, then it has to be from Hyderabad. If it is payasam, it has to be from Kerala. So Papa Dear ensured that he gets the best chefs from various cities to get the best on the banana leaf for each of his guests.
I saw Rajinikanth just a few minutes ago, offering water to a few guests who were here. So that really speaks volumes about this superstar called Rajinikanth.
We're all very happy for the couple, and I think all of you should bless them too.
The wedding reception will be as grand as any of Rajinikanth's film releases. In Chennai, Radhika Iyer, NDTV.
Well, well-wishers, close friends and people Rajinikanth perhaps called family were part of that celebration and that festivity today. From former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Chandrababu Naidu to young crooners like Vijay Yeshudas, all of them had a wish and two.
இங்கே வந்ததில் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது, பயங்கர கிராண்டாக இருக்குது. ஸ்பெஷலாக இங்கே வந்து நான் நினச்சி கூட பார்க்கல, ஒரு சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து என்றைக்குமே ரசித்து பார்த்த ஒரு விஷயம். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு குடும்பமாக இங்கே இருக்கிறோம். ஃபீலிங் வெரி ஹாப்பி.
Very happy for Soundarya and a wonderfully, beautifully organized wedding. Very happy for the family.
Wishing the couple a very, very happy married life.
அஸ்வின் குமாருக்கும் சௌந்தர்யாக்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
அஸ்வின் குமார் சௌந்தர்யா 100 ஆண்டு காலம் ஆள் போல் தழைத்து அருகுபோல் வேரூன்றி சீரும் சிறப்பாக வாழ வேண்டும் என்று வாழ்த்துகிறேன்.
I came here to greet Rajinikanth daughter's wedding today. I came here to greet them. He is a very close friend of mine and also well-wisher. I wish all the best for the couple. That is why I came here.
It's a very, very happy occasion. It's like a family occasion, yeah, because we are all belong to the same industry. I wish them best wishes, my best of luck. May God bless them. It's a beautiful occasion. We are all happy to be here.
I wish Ashwini and Soundarya all the best for their happy life. And today is very auspicious. So I wish all the happiness for their life.
வீட்டு கல்யாணத்துக்கு வந்துட்டு உங்ககிட்ட என்ன பேட்டி சொல்ல முடியும்? சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. And I'm here because of my friend.
My dear Annan superstar Rajinikanth is the big brother of our industry in Tamil Nadu, and his daughter is getting married. And actually what he said was, he said for the first girl I did not call anyone. The second girl I want to call everyone, and he's called everyone. Everyone's come here. I wish Soundarya and Ashwin all the very best in their life, and of course since being a part of their family, my whole family.
இரண்டாவது பெண்ணுடைய திருமண விழாவுக்கு தமிழகத்தில் உள்ள முக்கியத்துவர்கள் எல்லாம் வந்து வாழ்த்தினார்கள். எல்லா நல்ல உள்ளங்களும் வாழ்த்தியது. மிக சிறப்பாக திருமணம் நடந்தது. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Wish Soundarya all the very best. We've been like sisters from childhood. We've grown up together. So very, very happy for her and the entire family. We're all extremely happy. All the best.
My hearty wishes to the couple, Soundarya and Ashwin. We know them very closely. So, let them live a very happy life from here on. Their family, ellarkum oru periya congratulations. We're, happy to be a part of it.
Well, he certainly was the daddy cool today, but one thing certainly was clear today. Superstar Rajinikanth, who enjoys a fan base of millions in Tamil Nadu, across India and even beyond, is clearly a political asset. And political analysts believe he has the power to sway voters, and that was evident at the wedding of his daughter today.
Political invitees to the wedding of Soundarya Rajinikanth would not want to miss it. Apart from wishing the young couple, the setting was perfect to be identified with the man who is believed to have the magical power to sway millions of voters, and he could be an asset for any political group.
Superstar Rajinikanth அவர்களின் அழைப்பை ஏற்று இன்று அவரது இரண்டாவது மகள் சௌந்தர்யா அவர்களின் திருமண நிகழ்ச்சியில் பங்கேற்றதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். எம்முடைய இல்லம் தேடி வந்து சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் அவர்கள் அழைப்பு விடுத்தார். அதற்காக இந்த நேரத்தில் நன்றியையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். மணமக்கள் அனைத்து நலமும் வளமும் பெற்று வாழ்வாங்கு வாழ விடுதலை சிறுத்தைகளின் சார்பில் வாழ்த்துகிறேன்.
Rajinikanth's colleague in the film community, Vijayakanth, with his long-running desire to become the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, was amongst the prominent guests. Tamil Nadu's political establishment was well represented at the wedding of Soundarya Rajinikanth. From sympathizers of Sri Lanka's displaced Tamils to high-profile players and political journalists, a sort of indication that Rajinikanth was not just a hero in films.
But let's get to the bottom of this. How did Ashwin meet Soundarya? Was it an arranged marriage, or was it love at first sight for the couple? Here's a very dear family friend telling us some very interesting anecdotes and why Ashwin is Soundarya's perfect sultan.
Ashwin studied in Vidya Mandir, not in our school. It's a generation of civil engineers. 4 generations. His great-grandfather was a builder, civil engineer, construction. His son, his grandson, and Ashwin is also a civil engineer. He went abroad and got himself trained also for that. And all 4 of them are in that same line. Very nice boy, very well behaved, very friendly. The bonding between their family is something great. Justice Sridevi, who retired just now, her son has married Ashwin's sister. They're a big family.
So it was an arranged marriage of sorts, or how was it?
No, I wouldn't say it was arranged. It was partly love. And then they played golf became friends, and it ended in the marriage. It's a good thing. They waited for 4 years, and it's ultimately taken. He's a very fine boy. Mittu is very lucky to get such a fine boy. I hope their married life is going to be well. His original name is Gopalan. They call him Ashwin. Mittu's first name was Sakubai, named after her, the Gaikwad family. And she is called Saundarya. The eldest is Aishwarya. Aishwarya also is a very, very sweet girl. She is exactly like her father, Gunatla. Very friendly, very unassuming, like Rajinikanth. And I must say the girls have inherited both the parents' good nature. I wish them all the best.
Well, putting up such a perfect reception and a wedding today, it has been quite a hectic and a long day for the family. We caught up with the mother of the bride. Here's what she had to say.
It's been a wonderful experience. It's a great opportunity to meet so many people, all our friends to come and bless Saundarya. We are very happy for Ashwin and Saundarya, and we are extremely happy about the wedding. Absolutely, whether we are, however old they may be, daughters are daughters, children are children. It is a highly emotional day for me, and I think I was very natural just let it go. With all good health and prosperity, peace, a lot of spirituality in their lives, and all the happiness that they all are waiting and to enjoy.
Well, that's the wish from the mother for the couple. There's plenty of national news coming your way, but before we take this short break, here's a quick look at some of the memorable moments this big wedding today.